Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make churros and some easy dulce de leche to go with it. Keep it locked here and learn how to make my favorite treat ever. Let's start with this easy method to make dulce de leche. We're literally taking a can of condensed milk and we're simmering it in water for roughly 4 hours. Simply put a lid back on it and you can go about your day doing other things. Once it's ready, you can safely remove it using a tongue. Now it's important to note that you shouldn't open this can right away because there will be a lot of pressure due to steam, so allow this to cool for at least 30 minutes. Once you've opened the can, it's important to mix it thoroughly because there might be more cooked bits at the bottom. And this will thicken as it cools down. But look at that liquid gold. It's just beautiful. Now on to making some churros. It's super simple. We're just going to take some water, pour it into a pot. We'll also add some sugar straight into that pot and some salt. A couple tablespoons of oil. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil. And we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. Once it's boiled, we're going to take it off the heat and we're going to add a cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to vigorously mix this until it turns into a ball. Now this part is completely optional, but I like to add vanilla for flavor. You'll also need a star tip. I like to use Attico's 825 star tip and a very strong piping bag. This mixture is thick, so it's going to need the Glad bag of piping bags. This is an optional step as well, so if you want to pre-pipe some churros, you can just pre-pipe them onto parchment paper. They're good at about 5 to 6 inches long. Now for churro frying, the ideal temperature is 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So while we're waiting for that oil to get to temperature, we might as well make our cinnamon sugar mixture. Once the oil has reached its temp, we're going to carefully pipe the batter straight into the oil and use scissors to snip the ends. A good tip is to dip the scissors into the oil as well so that the batter doesn't stick to the scissors. When the churros are ready to come out, you can drain them using a sieve, or you can drain them on top of paper towel. For the pre-piped batter, if it doesn't release from the paper, you can simply throw the paper in the oil with the churro. It will eventually separate once it cooks, and then you can fish the paper out. Now once the churros have been drained, you toss them in the cinnamon sugar and they are ready to be devoured. They're that simple to make, and now it's time to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I do. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias por ver y nos vemos pronto. Hope to see you next time.